What's up, YouTube? Your Style O.G. In today's video, I'm gonna give you 10 ways to know if that woman doesn't like you. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Fritz Domingo, salute. Now fellas, we need to talk a little bit. I know it can be very difficult to know where the ladies are coming from, especially if she's not coming right out and saying she's not interested. You guys might be friends, you might not know how to read if she doesn't like you. So in an effort to make sure you're not wasting your time and not realizing you're in the friend zone, I've got 10 ways to know if that woman really doesn't like you that way. Now, one of these signs on their own might not be an indication she's not into you, but if she's doing more than 2 or 3 of them, you're probably wasting your time and she's just your friend. So without further ado, let's break down 10 ways to know that girl isn't into you. The first sign I want you to look for, when you text that young lady, that she texts back within 24 hours or less. If not, she might not like you. Here's the thing, when a woman's interested, she wants to engage in conversation. She wants to communicate. If it takes a whole day for her to get back to you, she doesn't like you that way, my guy. Which brings me to my second tip. Now, when she does respond to you, does she respond in short or one-word answers? Again, this is a cue she's not that interested. Again, women generally like to communicate. A one-word answer means she's just getting you out of the way, she's not that interested, and really doesn't have that much say to you. So if she just responded with, okay, hi, I'm all right, move on, my brother. The next thing to look for, to realize you might just be a friend, she never really gets in your personal space, or better yet, doesn't touch you. This is hands down one of the easiest ways to know if she's interested or flirting. Women, when they like you, they're gonna rub your arm, touch your shoulder, invade your personal space. If she rarely or never does that, my man, she probably doesn't like you. Piggybacking closely to the one about not touching you or being in your personal space, another sign to look for, she has disinterested body language. 3 easy things to look for. Does she fold her arms a lot when she's around you? Does she not orient her torso towards you where she can make contact and welcome you in? And are her feet pointed towards you? These are 3 body language clues that she's interested. If she never does any of these, she probably isn't. The next thing I want you to look for, she rarely, if ever, initiates you guys hanging out. Now, I'm not saying she doesn't like to hang out with you, or if you initiate it, she doesn't want to hang. But if it seems like you're an afterthought and you always got to make the move for you guys to get together, she probably doesn't like you. A woman that's interested, at least from time to time, is going to ask you to hang out with her. Our next clue piggybacks on her not initiating hanging out with you. That's her standing you up or not showing up over and over. When a woman's interested in you, she's going to prioritize spending time with you. If she's always flaking on you at the last minute or always running late or canceling, she's not interested in you, my guy. The next sign I want you to look for, that she might not be interested or like you, she hardly ever or rarely laughs around you. Now, I'm not saying the woman's supposed to think you're the biggest comedian, but one of the things women really love is your sense of humor. They're really attracted to that. If you pay attention and notice she rarely smiles or laughs when she's around you, guess what? Probably doesn't like you. Now, the next thing I want you to pay attention to, when you guys do hang out, does it ever seem like she makes effort to look better for you, dress up, hair different? When a woman is digging you, she takes particular pride in her appearance and will make sure she looks her best when she's with you. When she throws on her sweatpants and things of that nature when she's around you every time, she's not making any extra effort. And that means she probably doesn't want to get to know you in a romantic way. The next clue I want you to pay attention to find out she's not interested, does she talk about other guys, especially her exes, a lot when you guys are hanging? Now, this is a surefire way to know she's not that interested. When a woman's trying to get to know you in a romantic way, she wants to let you know the runway is clear for you. If she's interested, she's not going to talk about another dude. She wants you to know the runway is clear for you to make that landing. If she's talking about her ex or other guys, she's subconsciously letting you know they have her attention and you don't. And last but certainly not least on my list of the 10 ways to know a woman doesn't like you, piggybacks on the last one. Does she compliment other guys a lot or flirt with other guys when she's around you? This is a surefire way to know. If she's into you, she's paying attention to you. She can't see how handsome the other guy is or how nice a car he's driving or anything else that catches her eye. You're gonna be able to tell she's into you. And if she's complimenting someone else or flirting with another guy, my G, you're just not the one for her. Okay, so there you have it. 10 things to look for to let you know she probably doesn't like you that way. Now, that doesn't mean you guys can't be friends, but I want you to know you're in the friend zone and treat her as such. And fellas, help the guys out. Let us know in the comment section how you know you're in the friend zone. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.